SRQ Auto, people you like, cars you can trust.
You are going to love 2011 Grand Caravan. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, touring suspension, traction control, stability control, braking assist. Inside you'll find airbags, driver, knee, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, power door locks, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, power steering, one-touch windows, The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.